Welcome to Habis TV. You are watching National News. India is the world's largest milk producer and aims to reach 300 million metric ton of milk production in the next 5 years, up from the current 239 mmT, according to Union Minister of Animal Husbandry and Dairying, Rajiv Ranjan Singh. He also mentioned that since the Modi government launched the Rashtriya Gokul Mission in 2014, milk production in India has risen by 63.5%. The government is optimistic about increasing production by another 15% over the next 3 years. The minister stated that around 100 million people in India are involved in milk production, with 75% of them being women. He also mentioned that the average milk consumption per person in India is 471 grams. US President Donald Trump has announced a 25% tariff on oil and gas imports from any country, like buy crude oil from Venezuela. This decision, effective from April 2nd, is part of Trump's strategy to use tariffs to pressure other countries. While it mainly targets Venezuela, countries like India, China, Spain, and Italy that rely on its oil could be affected. Trump criticized Venezuela for being hostile to the US and accused it of sending criminals into the country. He said the US will impose the 25% tariff on any nation that continues to import Venezuela oil, in addition to existing tariffs. India is considering reducing tariffs on more than half of US imports, worth $23 billion, as part of the first phase of a trade deal with the US, according to two government sources. This is the biggest tariff cut in years and aims to avoid retaliatory tariffs. India wants to lessen the impact of US President Donald Trump's planned tariffs, set to begin on April 2nd, which have caused concerns in markets and among allies. India's analysis suggests these tariffs could affect 87% of its exports to the US, worth $66 billion. China has reduced the AI development gap with the United States to just 3 months in some areas, thanks to companies like DeepSeek optimizing chip usage and algorithms, said Li Kai-fu, CEO of Chinese startups O1 AI. Li, a key figure in AI and former head of Google China, told Reuters that DeepSeek's work has helped China advance, particularly in areas like infrastructure, software engineering. Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant has been named the head of the group of ministers for analyzing GST revenue, officials announced on Tuesday. The GST Council, during the 55th meeting in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan on December 21, 2024, decided to reconstitute the GOM with updated guidelines. On March 3, 2025, the GST Council officially appointed Sawant as the governor. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Habis TV. Namaskar.